Hi Robin, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. How's your exam preparation is going on?
It's stressful.
Why? You were studying regularly.
Yeah, but the portion is too vast.
Yes, I know.
What about you? How's your exam preparation?
It is same as you. I am also nervous about exams.
Hey, can we plan a schedule to prepare for exams?
Yes, why not such a nice idea? Even I was thinking about it.
So how we can start our preparation without being hectic?
Well, we should make a timetable like how many subjects we have and how many days are remaining, so that our study will go easily.
Yes, I think we should start with easy subjects so our interest will develop and we can continue further.
Yeah, it will be okay for me.
Then we will start with language subjects.
Yes, first we will go with Sanskrit, then English.
Okay, I think we should give less time for easy subject and more time for tough subject like maths, science.
Yes, so that we will have much more time for revision and to build our concept nicely.
Yeah, great thinking, and I think we should give extra time for geometry also. Because it is little tricky.
Yes, so we can start from today itself, what say?
Yeah, why not?
Then today we will start with the Sanskrit subject and I think we should give 2 days for the subject. Is that okay for you?
2 days are sufficient time for Sanskrit. If you have any doubt you can ask me, and same with me. I will ask you.
Yes, sure, if I have any doubt I will drop you a message so that you can read in your free time and can text me back.
Yes, me too will do the same thing.
Then I think we should not waste our time now.
Yes, let's start with the study from today.
Okay, thank you, bye.
Most welcome, bye also.